Welcome to Eurochef again. Today we are showcasing different types of gas stove. With these gas stoves, we are offering you the best quality there is and the simplest gas stove to use. Unlike ordinary cookers, these consume less gas and do not wear out quickly. They are built for efficiency and durability. The heavy glass top adds elegance while it makes it easy for you to clean. Featuring 2 infrared burners for faster cooking, flat ceramic mesh, strong black enamel grille, wind-restraining design, and very stable pot holder built for top performance and style. Not to mention high heat efficiency and auto ignition conveniency. The knobs are quality, guaranteeing you long-term value, reliability, and performance that cheaper brands cannot match. Eurochef, simple life.